Welcome back to the Emerald Corner. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about some last-minute tax tips to keep in mind before you file on April 15th. Well, hey there. I'm Kimberly Ferguson, CEO and founder of Emerald Expectations Accounting. I'm so happy that you're here. The Emerald Corner is a place where life and business meet, so I want to help you have a growing and profitable small business while maintaining a life with your loved ones. Today's video is another episode of Tax Tip Tuesday. And for those of you who don't know what that is where I share with you tips and tricks on how to prepare for tax season, how to lower your tax liability, and answer your specific tax questions. So if you have a specific tax question, will you please drop that in the comments below? I would love to make a video just for you. So today's episode is all about some last minute tips to keep in mind before you file your tax return, okay? So tip number one is if you haven't already maxed out your IRA contributions, you have until tax day to do it. So it's not too late if that's something that you are hoping to do for 2023. So number two is make sure that you've considered all of your eligible deductions and credits, okay? There are things that are available to you even if you're just a W-2 employee. So if you haven't already, make sure that you double check those and optimize what you're getting back as a refund or lower what you might owe, okay? So number three is to review your return carefully for any inaccuracies and potential errors. One of the biggest errors is misspelling your name or transposing numbers on your Social Security number. And trust me when I say that's a nightmare to fix. So double check your name, your address, your Social Security number, and if you're getting a refund, double check your routing and account number as well. So number four is if you can't get your tax return done by 4/15, go ahead and file an extension. It's okay. I know it's taboo to file an extension for a lot of people, but there's nothing wrong with it. Especially if you are expecting a refund, there's literally no penalties for doing so. If you're not expecting a refund though, try to pay in what you're going to owe. If you don't know, you can just give it your best guess, okay? But this is gonna save you on any penalties and interest that you might have to pay, okay? And then number five is if you're unsure or you have complex tax situations, it's definitely not too late to consult with a tax professional. Even if you can't get on someone's schedule between now and 4/15, go ahead and file that extension and then get on their calendar. Most tax professionals will allow you to get on their schedule after 4/15, even if they are too busy to do so right now. So if you have questions, don't file it until you have received the answers, okay? Well, thanks so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Boop.